So hi guys, today's video is all about free and best app available on internet for people who love to watch movies and web series online. As you already know that there are many apps which provide same services, but mostly these apps are paid. But if you find any free app, then you have to face lot of ads and a lot of buffering even if you have a good internet connection. But today's app which I'm gonna review is totally free, means no subscription charges, no hidden charges, no buffering, plus no ads. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. Okay, the application name is Moviesphere and will be given in the description. Simply open this application. Okay guys, here you can see to maintain our server, please donate us. Means this application doesn't charge you directly. In fact, it accepts donations from people around the world. Okay, first of all, let me show you privacy policy of this application. Okay, in privacy policy, they say Moviesphere does not own or host any content. It simply aggregates links in a convenient, user-friendly interface. It is an independent guide to streaming media available on the web series. Okay, this is a clear privacy policy of this application that this application doesn't own any content on this application. It only provides links, aggregate links. Okay, the first tab is about movies. From here you can see the different latest movies from Hollywood. Here you can see Bollywood and Hollywood, again Hollywood, Punjabi, South Indian, and so on. Okay, in movie section you can see here are 2021 latest movies like The Conjuring, which is Conjuring 3, which released in 2021, Infinite, which released on 2021, Hitman Wife's Bodyguard released on 2021, and Mumbai Saga, and so on. So if you scroll down, you can see there are different and a lot of movies. Even if you're tired of scrolling down, the movies will never finish. So there's a lot of movies to watch. So without wasting time, just download this application and go watch out free videos. The best part of this application is that if you click on any movie, for example, if I click Godzilla vs Kong, which is released in 2021. Okay, here you can see different options. The first option is if I click on this play icon, the movie directly plays online. If I want to download this movie, the download icon simply appears here. Okay, let me show you first by playing it online. Okay, it will take some time. Okay guys, here you can see the movie is played. Okay, here you can see the result is awesome, and here is no buffering time and no ads you can see in front of you. So this is the best part of this application, that you don't have to face any ads and you don't have to face even a buffering time. Okay, now in web series tab you can check out that there are different types of web series available, from oldest to latest. So there are too many web series available on this application which are totally free, no buffering time, and also available in dual audio. Okay, now if I click on this short movies section, here you can see the short movies are also available. Okay guys, this is the basic interface of application. I hope you enjoyed this video. The link for this application will be given in the description. Simply go and download this application and watch unlimited movies and web series for free, without ads, without buffering. So guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Meet you in the next video.